Nayas when you broken heart, you read meanings to everything.
Okay.
Kakra na ekwa na ya tro wechi no nim so ne wo na ekasa. Minya broken heart me ba me toss dark she me minya obi am spectacles. But the suni nyama no me wo se me be ejuma nso. Ejuma na emi am ejuma wo se me be ejuma.
Wa nkwa de na abedi.
Man kwa de na medi. Na me su the whole night na de ache so. Me ni nyina ya kese Apollo so season eba emai. Tina wo se me do la pass am pe shades bi e dark. Na me hye de be amanfo bisa me nsem. Na wonim relationship no enye 1 year relationship enye 2 years enye 3 years. Emu wa. Wananti mu ache. Na Nayas mitike imu na me ba chese me si mitras esunku a. Meti back seat e be obi understand me mesi wa ha mesi wa me pese me nya me time na me su yie. Ti me hye back seat. Nya me ti Jesus Intese obi de car na ebepem ye de no na yas me pagya me ti car chenchema bi na se oba bepem ye ke ya ma ye nya accident na car no call reverse oba oda na ne hu na chi behwe ye unim na ya chiro wasted years. I cried them more. Wow. Car no me hu se ma bro boy ye se car no se na fitani no test car no
e fitafo eso omo ho ansem omo hadwe e fitafo Monya careful pa because when I ask the man broken heart I can't me pa if it any Monya careful okay
can is on test omo ye can with me can no ka dada bi o na ne chi no so what wasted years na me so na material relationship yi mu ache so
wasted
so this is me
this is you
can hear me
okay
this is how I look that is what I'm telling myself it is say na my here e dey say masa
there be onsa o yesu di that time they don't who ni say wasaba one sign
e ho no na wo say misi wo baby a me hu ka na ka tell driver say next bus stop misi na misi and then it a ringy woman wasted years wasted ampanso being in a relationship for over 6 years I will call 7 years you don't cheat you don't do anything and then
you do the right thing
come on na wasted years we the car is reminding me of Nia abra tibia mi wom
waste time near dear
tibia mi wom
ya besa ba ho nyame onhira o counselor
yes ma'am
ye nyina enim sese obinya broken heart as a man me my asemi ya na if you can broken heart ankasa so wo de ye kusku kakra ewom na so obinya broken heart adien pa na ese oye
Nayas broken heart is I least expected it.
Okay.
Mensususa.
Okay.
Na mi nimsa. Hey. It is easier me tie me by yeden. So you keep asking yourself questions.
Okay.
Because what shatter? Ateto. Anyamo. So you can't even go forward. But that is the time I was
okay.
You the person in question. Atome. 80 min kwahi atome 80 min yedai atome what is my next move these are the things you need to be looking at so when you sakukudro no and go beyond the future of you you end it all 80 I call it the experience of life just like your title obia benyebi
okay
not just in love
okay
even if Okoji obi pen. Now nim so sa pen
your door per wasem.
Now call ye.
Now one farmer.
Meanwhile, you saw the pen there. That's broken your heart. You see, the heart is fragile. The heart is from your head to your heart to your hand. The only thing that regulates is your heart.
Okay.
And then my interpretation as to what my head should say, my hand should do.
Okay.
And there's one thing my hand do yeah.
Counselor, I na ususu say odododo and the ma broken heart no e basa na e fa yetiri ma
na say dey odododo. What is odododo?
Usa oba be bitimi do oba bi ama ne broso. Eti bibi kitu e bi sipe etimi affect me pa. Sa na oba bi so timi do odododo.
Yeah, they are not eka. But we don't understand what it means.
Okay.
Odo before odo beba no na nyama mienu bi esi. First one, you need to admire me. oh, me who prophet? Oh, prophet, I like your beard. I like it.
Okay.
Then you move on to like it. I just want to share things with you, how you are.
Yeah.
Per the liking state. Now, who so that should be there. Then I'll go for it. Okay. That is love. It is a Ushia Bema, Ushia Obano, I love you. What that person has got no role. Or yeah, but I say, a dear now, Uni me time. Uni me fun. Uni baby me freeba. And you're fair. Is that what you want?
Okay.
It was don't know. Yeah. Na me ni. Nene de mommy. And now friend or don't. But see. Anam person come kwa. But mean to me continue or me continue. The P. It's all about getting results of who you are as a human being.
Nyamisha papa mpacha wadaro mama samba osisi. Papa. Obi timi ya broken heart. Esen no ho, ehye ne ho akonfo. Edi ne ho bone. Eniema bebre na di broken heart eba. Usu se edi enti a usu adwenkyere.
Mami ni nkan emiki statement na ye tiefo ne ahwefo enti ase se. Nyankopon kra onya broken heart.
Sure.
Nyame a oboye no. Osi na nyame ni hu so obo nipa.
Okay.
Enti said yeah, that counts like when expectations are not met.
That's right.
Na say why you careful you go through the system of broken heart.
Okay.
And then you broken hand, a broken heart. And you broken leg, broken heart.
I like that.
When your hand breaks, you can heal it.
That's it.
Okay.
But when your heart breaks, how do you go there to heal it?
Exactly.
A process.
Yeah.
And you say, Ukomwa in new wabro.
Okay.
And a new woman.
That's right.
Me was statements be. Obi a shame this year. Any that statement about me.
Okay.
Ujami ohande. My target is to make it. Yeah. So that when ujami ohon, you will come back looking for me.
Excellent.
Okay.
So what I say. But we bilite won say asuma sia wo kono. Bibia ewia mamia. Said you come like I was say you have killed yourself by your own words. That's right.
Okay.
I have people who left me in church. I want to maybe take out fan in church. Anybody who kono who hear this house this person my personal singer me money the man platforms this boy I want to resign and yet I saw them me move away from La Paz I could be current place the call you my basa you know church move and that no more end one no and you move call then members got traffic now there was end one so back kwashi man be bring ma sorry then this boy told me say he's no longer happy in the church into oko
okay
one train crowd because one come fi cry
okay
but I told myself say you are not God and in life there are two people you must know
okay
temporal people and permanent people.
That's right.
Temporal people and permanent people.
Sure. Nyamisha prophet besan about anti bella meba horses here me producer pese ode ye doctor etoso na ono so e kire na adwene kakra e de kire e broken heart no eso yo sweetheart
Yes dear.
Enti eba ne sa na who say e ya na sen e na yes nipa no ase obedi ne ho ase obehye ne ho akonfo obedi ne ho awu ana so say na ebe nam so ma na brabo asei cause bebre na nya broken heart enne wo mo brabo na sei e di omo achi mpai boso ebusua kasa kire wo na mfo akasa kire wo ma still anye yi enam broken heart so obi abrabo asei obi kura ama na adwen ne ho ate osusu se wadaro ma dentia
na ya zehwe nkomo we na bema bi akire wodo akosi level bi waboa wo di wesua adwuma owie ye wenja wo mu we bie shop ama wo te wo ho ne wo ase ye ko a wo kobi ye ba wo baby ye ka wo nso wo kebi
mpacho so mama wadaro ma yeah hello
Hello, good evening.
Hello, our handsome doctor. Good evening. Mpacho wadaro ma na ho ye de.
Ya mi adaru ma ne umpai bo.
Yes, ebusua no so ho ye obia ho ye.
Le pato a obia ho ye ne mo.
Yes. Dog. Mr. Obebo odin kakra amaye na etiefu eti onyina hu say doctors me se ne no edi enkomo na eri a waboa ye broken heart ho asem nsem no kakra wadaroma obinya
Me da se Michael Kojo Chematen.
Okay.
Dr. Michael Kojo Chemate.
Dr. Michael Kojo Chemate.
Me
Okay.
try.
All right. Doc, obinya broken heart and wansem kano it say why doctor Tembia wo ayi waso ye hospital ho a nkofo e bako no. Broken heart na wansem it say wadaroma.
Yo, me that say. You can say broken heart. Broken heart, no. The beer. O de ba medical balance moi. Obeka say cardiomyopathy.
Okay.
The beer affect akoma. Na as a result of that, the beer so umbo. The beer ben wakoma.
Okay.
A bit to me, I said, be a woman, a stumbo, a mouth, or papa, a stumbo mouth, or ye, unia, or damfo, or husband, or fiancé, any form of relationship, be a stumbo mouth, or the Austria, affect a wakoma, a ma also at the Emma edidie kura no like who eduane kura like who see that form of appetite no untumi nya appetite kura say eduane kura ubedi a sad moment and say arehombre enna so thing enna thing e was start be anymore so enna Tabia, we boss, we manager, we Juma, we journalist, or who read news, who edit story, we in whichever profession that you are, no, broken heart, you know, a situation there. A bema will lose interest in the economically, no, affect one kata with Juma Kura,
okay.
A Juma, we with joy, but soon you be trial, and I said, now what we be trial, no, unya. Interest and unya ope of the past kura na say enije ewo edwumani mu nso sorry kura mpo the interest kura say obeka say o kwa akoye edwuma no eno kura no eni ho ya probably use say issues of anxiety and also like the deal ha wo bill any wa dwen any wo bibia no ekudina nia wahwere every wo stem no the only thing you want to hear is about that person either say relationship na end obi aka bibia the only thing you want to know or you want to hear will basically be related to that particular way na medically no say no eba yare akodo a yaje broken heart atumu as broken heart syndrome intina eno so ababeka yare akodo a etuni eti a eho ensentrene bi na mebobo ni na no so ejina kwanya ofa so elusi nipa no whether say ope anase aware anase akondo bia ewo omumienu enunti na bia bibisa e dia banka ya dia affect even wo cerebrum watching no it affects your sense of reasoning like ojin cry in so as a result of Rebecca said broken heart syndrome anase myocardial party.
Okay. Doctor. Ja me fa chabe ma no craft from. Doctor, e ba sa den kwan be na mo be fa so a mo betimi aboa yen. Because ebi broken heart na e de o makopie situation bi mu a je say waya matese ese dodo na waya muntimi ensia no kwan a che say ebi a ebi di broken heart na kwa kopie ni.
In this stage, you know, as I said, obi ben at the early stage, you know, and this water eshe demu enkwa anabenia before kasem yebeka say isolation. In this case, na say we resist isolation, say we be isolate wo ho, say unkwa obekwa ko she baby na wusu na wo dwen say we reduce the level of kwanya like at arewo any oyawa ewo gumu in this case, nipa na wenya star problem na say ebusuani ananse adamfo etwen eben no.
Okay.
Aside say uba beko hu clinical psychologist and psychotherapy counselor. Unhia say adamfo ananse ebusuani ebetwen aben wo na wakokro na wakan sembi ebi atu utimu a ebetumi aboa na we free mu. Also no sebia the broken heart so if it's as a result of sebia obia odono pa odasem obia odono pa and we lose no ebasa na you realize that in this case emu nsensemi na no akwa kujina nipa na what no in the name of odo no enunti ebasa na bia wadamfo anase bi obi obel ese say otumi eben yie na otumi encourage you na obomoden na otumi ekre anase uyi enyama boni bi adwendwen boni bi ifi wadwemu na otumi overcome with good memories.
Okay.
Ese one kasa what's not say now what share of a power you re-evaluate your needs, the exact thing you want to achieve in life. Now better way ewo abrabomu the bia nipa na ohre no so ho ade dem ka mu bekwa kodu only way your next level of exactly what you want to do ni na no na as I said utumi ehwe ye won am bi wo ha in this time no any say woman wo emotions edi wo so any say wo emotions then ehwe so emotions na me who say like your emotions and that bia Elisa woman what man after what piano a control wo so and any say what dream near a sea and ra what you have today and what is ahead of you and then say what they were doing so now we and run you see every woman gradual is a gradual process and that's also of the party I was a juma bin a warrior I mean double your steps at work. Focus your attention on the work. For whom ye be ebe boa na ure ebe free sa arewono and I said near ufemuno. And at this critical stage, we don't advise anyone say you instantly jump into another relationship. We're not about the serious cancer in our society today. Say love go, love come. Ne dofuvi ne breaking na kuma and most guys and I say and member be brain so almost share and ma more that situation mami for more that situation now most people would want to take advantage over the situation at that time wo obano and I say wo bema because I've experienced one guy of course in a serious broken heart out of our real relationship within 2 months or 3 months and I also call into another relationship when he was not totally healed. So fortunately or unfortunately for him, that other relationship or come our real. Wow. And our no believe you me, it affected the total medulla oblongata. Not drink up him now of fasto or the aging and I say autotune at the everything Yes, madam.
So mame ye brain into no ye pese enka utu ukani nyina bom na odi afutu seconds edemaye na emrepemo no
like do na no say na meka no in case of this no my empa ye ho enko another relationship when you have broken heart when you've lost something a period of minimum 6 months maximum 1 year before you decide to do any new thing at this period no get closer to a best friend of yours, get closer to a family member of yours, get closer to a friend, someone you can talk to, get closer to your pastor lady,
Yeah, I mean,
your
sure.
lady pastor, your
Okay,
pastor,
your
your
pastor.
church counselors,
Okay,
get
your
closer
best
to
friend.
church
Okay.
activities. We now know about wow.
Ebeboa.
Now recovery rate, it to me akoye.
Dr. Nyankopon insha wo pa say ye frɛ wo a unya brɛ ɛne wɔdɔ ɛne yɛn ɛkasa wadaro ma wobɛtumi de wo telephone number ato dwa in case sɛ sɛ obi ɛhwehwɛ wo a na obi pɛ sɛ wɔne wo ɛkasa.
My number is 0544
Okay.
237 483 0544 237 483. Pacho me that.
Nyankopon insha wo pa yɛda wase bebree. Ebusua yɛsrɛ mo your number na at that screen is so no. Last number is 47 and we your WhatsApp number to be me at the wadrintre at the afaso at the amaye. And also say number na 055 no but more than a friend of wadrintre ebra. You try home aje abwafo and krato e